LCM model 7. Please write down. LCM model 7. When the negative reminders are same. When the negative reminders are same. Concept. Concept. Negative reminder concept. Negative reminder concept. What is this negative reminder? If I divide 13 by 7, 7 ones are 7. Positive remainder is 6. Negative remainder, 7 twos are 14. Negative remainder is minus 1. Negative remainder does not exist in mathematics. It is an illusionary concept which is used to get the answers very fast. One more example. 23 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20. Positive remainder is 3. Negative remainder is 5 fives are 25. Negative remainder is minus 2. Negative remainder is minus 2. Now, how to convert negative remainder into positive remainder? Now see here. If you got a negative remainder, add it with the denominator, it will give positive remainder. 7 minus 1 is 6. If you got a negative remainder, add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. If you got a negative remainder, write down as it is. If you got a negative remainder, add with the denominator. Add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. To get the positive remainder. To get the positive remainder. If you want the negative remainder, subtract it from the denominator. Negative remainder, add with the denominator. Positive remainder, subtract it from the denominator. Positive remainder, subtract it from the denominator. Subtract it from the denominator or the divisor. Denominator or the divisor. Denominator is one number which is dividing the numerator. So denominator can also be called as divisor. Again I am saying negative remainder does not exist in mathematics. I am using this as a concept to simplify few things. 7 ones are 7. Positive remainder is 6. Negative remainder is 7 twos are 14 minus 1. Negative remainder to positive remainder is 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 fours are 20. Positive remainder is 3. Negative remainder is 5 fives are 25 minus 2. Negative remainder and positive remainder. Depending upon the nature of the question, I will use the logic accordingly. Now, first question. First, method 1. Method 1. Method 1. Find the largest number of 4 digits, okay, such that when divided by there is a number. This number is divided by 15, 18, 21 and 24, okay. The positive reminders are 11, 14, 17, 20. Positive reminders are not same. If the positive reminders are not same, check with the negative reminder. How to get the negative reminder from the positive reminder? Subtract it from the denominator. 11 minus 15 is minus 4. 11 minus 15 is minus 4. 14 minus 18 is minus 4. Subtract it from the denominator. This is again minus 4. This is again minus 4. 20 minus 24. In all the cases, I got the negative remainder minus 4. So the number is divided by LCM of 15, 18, 21, 24 minus 4. Now see here, don't show your mathematical intelligence and waste the time. 18 digital sum is 9. So if one number digital sum is 9, answer digital sum should be 9, which is 9k minus 4. If you want to convert these negative remainder into positive remainder, minus 4 plus 9 is 5. Either it can be 9k minus 4 or 9k plus 5. Answer when divided by 9, it should give a remainder 5. Answer when divided by 9, it should give a negative remainder minus 4. Let us see which options are not working. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 5 18. 11 plus 5 16. 16 plus 7 23. 2 plus 3 5. So first one it is giving you 5. Second one 5 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 5 16. 16 plus 7 23. 2 plus 3 5. Okay. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 7 18. 18 plus 5 23. 2 plus 3 5. Right. Next one 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 6 19. 19 plus 4 23. 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 5. That means 9k plus 5 is not giving me any one answer. Then what to do? Now see here. This 21 is nothing but 7 into 3. 7 into 3. Now if one number is an even number, LCM of any number with one number even, the answer will be an even number. This is out, this is out. LCM of any number with an even number, answer is an even number. 2 are out. 21 is 7 into 3. Answer should be divisible by 7. 7k. This is divisible by 7. 7k minus 4. 7k minus 4. 7k minus 4 it should give. 7k minus 4. Let us solve that. Why? Where it is 7k minus 4. 7 5 5 6. 7 ones are 7. 7 sevens are 49. 66. 7 nines are 63. Plus 3 means minus 4. 7 ones are 7. 7 nines are 63. 34. 7 fives are 35. Minus 1. So answer for this question is 7556. 7556. Again I am repeating. This is a question where the negative remainders are same. There is a number which is divided by 15, 18, 21, 24. Positive remainders are 11, 14, 17, 20. All the cases I got the negative remainder as minus 4. LCM of 15, 18, 21, 24. One number is an even number. LCM of any number with an even number is an even number. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. LCM of 7 and 8 is 56. LCM of 8 and 9 is 72. If one number is an even number, LCM will always be an even number. First option out, third option out. 21 is taken out from 7 into 3. Answer should be divisible by 7. D divisible by 7 with a remainder minus 4. 7k minus 4. So which option is 7k minus 4? Check it out. That option is the answer. See, first thing always remember, idea is to simplify it with different prime numbers. I will tell that point, otherwise students might ask a doubt. N is LCM of 15, 18, 21, 24 minus 3. This is what we got. In these numbers, what are all the prime factors that are hidden? Tell me. What are all the prime factors that are hidden? 15 is 3 and 5. 18 is 2 and 3. 2 is hidden. 21 is 7. 3, 5, 2 and 7 is hidden. 3, 5, 2, 7 is hidden. First is I will use a digital sum 9. All options are working. Then I am going with any one out of these two numbers. Anyway, 2 is eliminated. 2 is eliminated. I hope it is clear, right? 2 is eliminated. Now see, is it clear, right? 7k minus 3. 7k minus 3. What do you mean by 7k minus 3? When a number is divided by 7, negative remainder minus 3, positive remainder will be 7 minus 3 plus 4. Answer is 7 into something plus 4. 7 into something plus 4. Idea clear? Please ask me if you got any doubt. If you got any doubts. Answer should be of the form 9k minus 3 or 7k plus 4. Or you can deduce, it can also be 5x minus 3. It can also be divisible by 3. I think why are we doing all this? I think just by, see here sir, see here, you can further reduce it. You can further reduce it. I will further simplify this question. I will further simplify this question. Further simplify this question. See here sir. Sometimes we think too much when the question is very simple. This is the question. This is a very, 18 is divisible by 3. 3 is divisible by 3. If I subtract two numbers which are divisible by 3, answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. So, are you all with me, right sir? 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 7, 23, 23, 2 plus 3, 5. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16, 16, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 7. None of them is giving. I think that also logic. You go by this 7k minus 4 only. This is the beauty of this question. Sometimes 3k, 4k form might arise in everything. Minus 4. This is 7k minus 4. Any doubt? Right? 7k minus 4. That means it is 7k plus 3. 7k plus 3. I hope you have understood the logic, right? It is 7k minus 4 is the form. Don't worry about the calculation mistakes. I am known for it. Understand the logical mistakes. Because I am bad in logic calculation mistake, every time I miss 100 percentile all over India only because of calculation mistake. My logic on a subject is extremely strong. 7k minus 4. I hope you got the idea. Right? Idea is clear. Idea clear, right? Shall I go to the next logic? Negative reminders are same. Anyway, you can find out this answer, subtract 4. That is anyway there. Second question. See this second question. When a number is divided by 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. Positive reminders are 1, 2 and 3. Negative remainder will be minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Number is nothing but LCM of 4, 5, 6 into k minus 3. 4, 5, 6 into k minus 3. Now, if you see here, method 1. Method 1. Method 1 is 4 and 5. It is least number when it is divided by 4 and 5 LCM is 20. 20 and 6. It is 2 into 10 and it is 2 into 3. So 2, 30, 60k minus 3. I hope it is clear. 60k minus 3. What is the negative remainder? 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 2 minus 4 is minus 3 and 6 into 4, 5, 6 into k minus 3. 4, 5, 6. LCM is nothing but 60k minus 3. 60k minus 3. Or what you can do is, this one way. Method number 2, you go by the answer option. 57. 14s are 56, remainder 1. 5, 5, 5. 11s are 55, remainder 2. 6 9s are 54, remainder 3. So K is 1. 57 is giving you this answer. This is a traditional method. I am not interested in teaching you traditional method. I am interested in giving you some logics beyond the logics which you know. Now see here. If this is given, what I was trying to say in the previous question is 6 is divisible by 3. This is also divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. 49 is out, 61 is out. Are you with me? Next one. It is divisible by 5. 5k minus 3. Negative remainder minus 3. Positive remainder is plus 2. Answer should be of the form 5x plus 2. 63 is 5 into 12 plus 3. Answer is 63 is incorrect. This is something which most of you know it. I am not interested in this. This is something every textbook will teach you. If you are, that is something which you can go through it on your own. But I wanted to take you beyond the obvious things. LCM of 4, 5, 6 into k minus 3. 5k, it is divisible by 5. Negative remainder minus 3. Positive remainder is plus 2. Answer should be of the form 5k plus 2. Only one option is satisfying. One option is satisfying. I hope it is clear. Next one. Manish is telling, if a number divided by 15 leaves a remainder 11, then its units place contains 6 or 1. Chances are there? Yes. What is he telling is also right. Let me tell you. What is he telling? Let me see. If a number is divided by 15, positive remainder is 11. So number is 15 into x plus 11. X plus 11. If 15 into x plus 11, any number multiplied by 5, unit digit will be 0 or 5. Any number multiplied by 5, unit digit will be 0 or 5. So 15x will give you unit digit 0 or unit digit 5. So if I add 1 to it, answer will have unit digit 1 or 6. Unit digit is 1 or 6. Next, good logic. What you are saying is mathematically right. Next, third question. The smallest number which when divided by 12, it is divided by 12, it is divided by 16. Positive remainder is 5 and 9. 5 and 9. Now see here. Negative remainder will be 5 minus 12 is minus 7. This is also minus 7. So this will be 12 comma 16 into k minus 7. 12 comma 16 into k minus 7. What are the prime factors which are hidden in this number? 4x minus 4 2s are 8, 1. 4x minus 1. Answer should be of the form 4x minus 1. 29 is 4 into 7 plus 1. 4 into 10 plus 1. 4 into 14 minus 1 and 4 into 10 minus 1. Two options are working here. Then another logic is, another prime number hidden in this one is 3. 3 into p. 3 2s are 6. 3p minus 1. 3p minus 1. Right? I hope it is clear, right? 12 comma 16. So 48k minus 7, which is 41. Why did we eliminated these 41? This is 4k. 4k it is. 4k minus 3 it is. Sorry. Why am I doing lot of silly mistakes? 4k minus 3 it is. 4x minus 3 or 4p plus 1. 4p plus 1. 4p, I think I did some calculation mistake. Number divided by 12 and 16. Positive reminders are 5 and 9. Negative reminders will be minus 7. So number is nothing but 12 comma 16 into k minus 7. Method number 1. Put k value 1. So it is 40, 12, 16 LCM is 48. 48 minus 7, it is 41. Method 1. Method 2 is 12 and 16, it is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4p plus 1, answer should be of the form 4p plus 1. So it is 4p plus 3, it is 4 into 14 plus 1. Next one, it is nothing but 3x minus 1 or 3x plus 2. Both are right. 3x plus 2. 3 into 13 plus 2. So answer is 41. Answer is right. Answer is 41. No Balashiva. Right. Sometimes traditional method, because you are seeing smaller numbers, you are thinking that method 1 is the biggest number, right? But as the number of digits increases, finding the LCM of a bigger numbers becomes extremely difficult to you, which you will only realize as we do some problems. What you are thinking is only 50% right. Next one. Next one. See here. A number which when divided by, read the question. A number which when divided by 10, positive remainder is 9. When divided by 9, positive remainder is 8. When divided by 8, positive remainder is 7. So negative remainder will be 9 minus 10, 8 minus 9. So method 1 says number is nothing but LCM of 10, 9 and 8 into k minus 1. So this is nothing but 10, and 9, 72. 72 and 10. LCM is 360. So 360 into k minus 1. 360 into k minus 1. So if k value is 1, which is 359. 351. 359. Method 1, I hope it is clear. Method 2. Method 2. It is always good to know multiple methods. Depending upon the merit of the question, you can solve. It is divisible by 9. It should be 9x minus 1. Negative remainder minus 1 is positive remainder 8. So it should be 9x plus 8. It should be 9x plus 8. It should be 9x plus 8. So we are struck in 539 and 359. Now next one it is, if you see here, this is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. Or it is, you can use other prime numbers deriving from 10, 9, 8. What are the prime numbers hidden there? 2, 3, 5. Check by using 2, 3, 5. Smaller numbers, method 1 seems easy, but as the number value increases, method 2 sometimes can help you to eliminate answer options. I hope it is clear. We are taking Haritha, where we are taking plus 1. We are taking minus 1. 9 minus 10 minus 1. 8 minus 9 minus 1. I am not taking. Shiva, why it is plus 8? When you divide a number by 9, negative remainder is minus 1. Positive remainder is 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. If you get a negative remainder, add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. If you got minus 1, add it with 9 to get the positive remainder. By the end of the class, you will understand why am I stressing on method 2. Please listen carefully. The more and more examples you solve, you will come to know. When I am saying it with experience, there must be a reasoning. Next one, depending upon the question, k value put 1 or k value put minus 2. The least number which when divided by 4, 6, 8 and 9 leaves 0 remainder. There is a number which is divisible by 4, 6, 8 and 9. It gives a 0 remainder. And when divided by 13, it gives a remainder 7. It gives a remainder 7. So because it's a very smaller number, you can check it out. 13 2s are 26, 10. 13 6s are 78, 7. 13 6s are 78, 7, you are getting it. Is it perfectly divisible by 4? No, it is eliminated. 13 1s are 13, 13 11s are 143. It is not possible. 72. 72 is divisible by 4, divisible by 6, divisible by 8, divisible by 9. 13x plus 7. 13 5s are 65 plus 7. So answer for this question is 72. Answer for this question is 72. Answer for this question is 72. I hope it is clear. Next one. Next question. Answer is 72. Or in case if the numbers are big, how to solve it? I will solve it in the second one. Mahesh, I don't think that you have attended all the sessions of LCM. Please go back to our YouTube channel. Watch the previous videos. We have discussed in detail various methods. Right? Next one. Sahiti, we have already covered the session 5. Please go back and see session 1, 2, 3, 4 in our YouTube channel. Right? Next one. What is the smallest number which leaves a remainder 3 when divided by any one of the numbers 5, 6 and 8? When you divide these numbers by 5, 6 and 8, remainder is 3. But leaves no remainder when it is divided by 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. So, because 9a is there, it is divisible by 9. 5, 6 or 8 into k plus 3. Now if you see here, 5, 6 or 8. 5 and 6 consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers LCM is their product. 38s are 240. 240k plus 3. K value is 1. So answer for this question is 243. Answer for this question is 243. Right? I don't understand these closed lines. Say once again, repeat the problem. The class will be made public. You can watch it again. Pinpoint the doubt that you got. If I think that your statement is right, I will definitely appreciate it. If I think that your doubt is valid, it will be there in my class. Right? Next one. I hope it is clear, right? 240 plus 3. I am now, next one. The least numbers which when divided by 16, 18, 20, 25. Now Balashiva, you will understand and appreciate why method 2 is effective method. It is divided by 16, 18, 20, 25. In all the cases it gives a remainder 4. But when divided by 7, it gives no remainder. 18 digital sum is 9. So 9 into something plus 4. 9 into something plus 4. Answer when divided by 9, it gives a remainder 4. Digital sum should be 4. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. 12 is 3. 18 digital sum is 9. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, it is 11. 11 digital sum is 2. 18004. Answer is 18004. I hope, Shiva, you are able to understand in this question. If you go and find the LCM of all the 4 numbers and add 4, it might take some time. Answer options are not only given to tick mark, but also to be used. 18 digital sum is 9. We have discussed yesterday that if one number digital sum is 9, LCM of any numbers with digital sum 9, answer digital sum will be 9. Answer digital sum will be 9. I will give you a completely different way in which I will solve this question. Please listen carefully. I will not even solve in this way. Anil Nayar's way to solve. Please write down. Anil Nayar's way to solve. If this question is given, how I solve this question is Anil Nayar's way to solve this question. It is when divided by 7, it leaves no remainder. So there is a divisibility rule for 7. Divisibility rule for 7. What is the divisibility rule for 7? 10 power 3 when divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Positive remainder is 3. 3 cube is 27. 7 fours are 28. Negative remainder is minus 1. Negative remainder is minus 1. One example, then I will tell you the divisibility rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 7. This I can write it as 1, 2, 3 into 10 cube plus 456 divided by 7. This is an example, nowhere related to this question. 10 cube divided by 7. 10 cube divided by 7 is minus 1. 10 cube divided by 7 is minus 1. So this will become 456 minus 123 divided by 7, which is remainder of 333 divided by 7. Answer is 4. Divisibility rule for 7 says, start from the rightmost. Keep a slash after 3 digits, alternatively plus and minus. Start from the rightmost. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively keep plus and minus. Why we are keeping plus and minus? Because 10 cube divided by 7 is minus 1. So with this idea, how I solved this original exam question is, take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus and minus. 17 minus 4, 13, out. 18 minus 0, 18, out. 18 minus 2, 16, out. 14, 14 is divisible by 7. I don't need to do anything if I know the divisibility rule of 7.